What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and as you guys can see from the title of the video, I am creating a ponytail look. I'm just going to first start off by taking my flat irons and trying to press out the natural state of my hair. I normally don't put that much heat to my natural hair, but I'm trying to get this as straight as possible because I want my ponytails to be a little slick. So I'm just trying this, something new. I never really did a ponytail, so I'm just going to press out the perimeter of my hair. I don't know if you guys can see it from the video, but I do have majority of the middle of my hair put in a ponytail already. So I'm just going to take my pressing comb and I'm just going to try to press out my edges a little bit more than the use. So after that, I'm just going to try to do a very tight ponytail and braid it at the end. And I'm just doing the invisible part method, but I'm not using any glue or anything like that. But first, I'm just going to try and tame these edges you guys. So just doing my edges, tying that up, and then just taking some hair and applying a rubber band at the end and just wrapping it around really tight around the braid. And yeah, I'm just going to keep doing the same thing, wrapping it real tight. You guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give my video a big thumbs up if you like this video and want to see more videos of me doing different hairstyles. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you find it helpful. See you in my next one. Bye.